In the modern age of education, where information flows endlessly and academic demands steadily increase, students are often faced with the Herculean task of balancing their studies with personal and social commitments. The mantra "study smarter, not harder" has never been more relevant. It's imperative to embrace productivity hacks that not only make learning more effective but also more enjoyable, ensuring that you, as a student, do not burn out but instead thrive academically while maintaining a healthy life balance. At the heart of studying smarter is the understanding that more hours spent with your nose in a book doesn't necessarily equate to better learning outcomes. It's about the quality, not the quantity of your study sessions. One of the first steps in this transition is the adoption of active learning techniques. Instead of passively reading or rereading textbooks, engage with the material. This might include teaching back the concept to yourself or a study buddy, creating mind maps, or applying the Feynman Technique, which involves explaining difficult concepts in a simple manner. These methods not only solidify your understanding but also enhance retention, making your study sessions much more productive. Another cornerstone of studying smarter is strategic time management. Often, students inadvertently waste precious time through ineffective study habits or procrastination. Implementing the Pomodoro Technique is a game-changer in this regard. This involves studying intensively for 25-minute intervals followed by a 5-minute break, capitalizing on your brain's optimal concentration span. Additionally, using planners or digital apps to schedule tasks ensures that you allocate enough time for study without overwhelming yourself. By breaking down tasks into manageable chunks, you maintain a sense of progress and achievement, keeping your motivation levels high. Moreover, leveraging technology to your advantage is crucial in modern-day studying. Various apps and tools can streamline and enrich your learning experience. Utilize flashcard apps like Anki for spaced repetition, which is highly effective for memorization. Explore platforms like Quizlet to create your own quizzes and test your knowledge. For writing and research assignments, tools like Grammarly and reference managers ensure your work is polished and well-organized. By embracing these technologies, you save time and enhance the quality of your output. Cannot be overstated how essential taking breaks and ensuring adequate rest is to studying smartly. Sleep is not a luxury. It is a necessity. It plays a significant role in memory consolidation and overall cognitive function. Prioritize regular sleeping patterns and make time for relaxation and recreational activities. These are not distractions but rejuvenating elements that prevent burnout. Likewise, incorporate physical activity into your routine. Exercise is a powerful tool for boosting brain function, improving mood, and increasing energy levels. Mindfulness and mental well-being are also integral elements of smart studying. Practices such as meditation or deep breathing exercises can significantly reduce stress, enhance focus, and increase cognitive flexibility. Before starting your study session, spend a few minutes clearing your mind, setting intentions, and visualizing your goals. This practice fosters a positive mindset, making you more receptive and motivated towards learning. Another vital productivity hack is embracing collaborative learning by forming or joining study groups. Engaging with peers fosters a dynamic exchange of ideas, enhances understanding through discussion, and allows for diverse perspectives on the same topic. Moreover, accountability within the group often propels members to stay on track and perform their best. A critical aspect of studying smarter is to constantly assess and refine your strategies. Be introspective and ask yourself what's working and what's not. Adaptability is a trait that will serve you well, long beyond your academic endeavors. Recognizing when to shift strategies, let go of inefficient habits, or integrate new tools is essential. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small, and be gentle with yourself through setbacks. Persistence paired with strategic effort invariably leads to success. Finally, cultivating a deep-seated curiosity and genuine interest in your studies fuels motivation like nothing else. Approach your subjects not as a means to an end but as an opportunity to quench your intellectual thirst. This intrinsic motivation reduces the workload feeling, turning learning into an enjoyable pursuit. Study smarter, not harder is a philosophy that transforms the educational journey from a daunting marathon into a fulfilling expedition. By employing these productivity hacks, students can achieve more with less stress, paving the way for a balanced and enriched academic life. Remember, the goal is not only to succeed academically but to do so in a manner that promotes overall well-being and a lifelong love for learning. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Motivational Hub for more inspiring content.